If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and let us know your thoughts on AI in car design in the comments below. We're always eager to hear your perspectives and spark a conversation about the future of automotive technology. Your engagement helps us create more content you'll love. Alright car lovers, imagine this. You're staring at the wildest concept car sketch, a design so radical it seems ripped from a sci-fi movie. And within months it's gliding down the street, not in a decade but right now. This isn't some far-off fantasy, it's the accelerating reality of automotive design. That's the magic AI is bringing to car design, a transformative force reshaping how vehicles are conceived, engineered, and brought to life. And today, I'm taking you on a quick ride through how artificial intelligence is shaking up the entire process, revolutionizing each stage with unprecedented speed and efficiency. From the first doodle to the finished car. We're talking about a complete paradigm shift, so buckle up. Let's kick it off at the drawing board. Or should I say the digital drawing board. Traditional design meant hours, sometimes weeks of sketching and clay modeling. A painstaking process requiring immense skill and patience. But with AI, designers feed ideas into smart programs, describing their vision with simple prompts and parameters, that generate hundreds of digital sketches in seconds. Imagine the possibilities. It's like having the world's fastest, most creative assistant, a tireless partner capable of exploring countless design avenues, always ready to spit out something wild or refine your favorite shape. It's design exploration on steroids. Designers can tweak lines, move headlights, or stretch fenders with just a few clicks, manipulating complex forms with incredible ease, and AI learns their style along the way. It's a collaborative process where human creativity and artificial intelligence amplify each other. Next stop, engineering, where the rubber meets the road, or rather, where the digital design meets physical reality. Once a design looks promising, AI jumps in to test its aerodynamics, safety, and even how it feels to drive, all in the virtual world. This saves time, money, and resources. Want to see if your sleek coupe can survive a crash test? No problem. AI runs thousands of simulations without ever crashing a real car. It identifies potential weaknesses and suggests improvements before a single piece of metal is bent. It can even suggest changes for better fuel efficiency or performance, optimizing every aspect of the vehicle for peak performance. This means fewer prototypes, less wasted material, and faster progress to a drivable model. A more sustainable and efficient approach to car development. But here's where it gets really cool. Customization. The ability to tailor a car to your exact preferences. AI doesn't just help big automakers, it's leveling the playing field. It's now in the hands of smaller companies and even individual builders, empowering a new generation of automotive innovators. With the right software, you could drop your own car ideas into an AI program, describing your dream vehicle in detail, and see a 3D model come to life, witnessing your vision materialize before your eyes. This opens up the world of car design to more people than ever before, democratizing creativity and innovation. It's not just about tweaking paint colors anymore. That's just the tip of the iceberg. It's about reshaping the future of cars, one pixel at a time. A future where vehicles are as unique as the individuals who drive them. Of course, there's more. The impact of AI extends far beyond design and engineering. Once a design is set, AI helps optimize the assembly line, streamlining the manufacturing process for maximum efficiency. Robots guided by AI don't just assemble cars faster, they do it with incredible precision. They spot flaws, track parts in real time, and even predict when maintenance is needed, ensuring the highest levels of quality and reliability. So, cars roll off the line quicker, safer, and with fewer hiccups. A seamless and optimized production process from start to finish. And let's not forget about you, the driver, the ultimate beneficiary of all this innovation. AI is shaping everything from the seats to the dashboard, creating a more comfortable and intuitive driving environment, personalizing your driving experience based on how you drive, what you listen to, even how you sit. Adapting to your individual needs and preferences in real time. It's like having a car designed just for you, by you, without ever touching a wrench. The ultimate expression of personalized mobility. So, whether you're a die-hard gearhead or just love a good set of wheels, whether you appreciate the engineering marvel or the aesthetic beauty, AI is driving the future of car design, making it faster, smarter, and more personal than ever. A future where cars are not just machines but extensions of ourselves. Buckle up because the next generation of dream cars, The vehicles that will capture our imaginations and redefine what's possible, they're just an algorithm away. The future of automotive design is here, and it's powered by AI. If you enjoyed this glimpse and found it insightful into how AI is revolutionizing car design, transforming it in ways we never thought possible, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow and allows us to bring you more content like this. Want to stay on top of the latest trends in AI and automotive innovation? Make sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update on the cutting edge of automotive technology. And hey, I want to hear from you. What futuristic car feature, powered by the ingenuity of AI, would you design with AI? Let your imagination run wild. Drop your wildest ideas in the comments below and let's spark a conversation about the future of driving. Your dream ride could be the next big thing we talk about, or even inspire the next generation of cars. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video exploring more automotive innovations.